guys, this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. Oh, my camera ba is so lights. See, it's so light.
Yeah.
So we're on the way to Canlaon City. It's one of my friends' birthday. We're gonna have some road trip together with them, together with my friends and Virgil's friends. So Virgil have some parade today this morning in the school, in their band, and after that they don't have a class because they have some athletes. Athletes.
Is that why being in different class?
Yeah, because have some athletes there in school, but and they're gonna do some like badminton, different kinds of sports. So that's why there's no class today. But this morning they have some parade in their band, and it's just finished. And it's really Virgil really enjoying himself. So right now we're on the way to Canlaon, or we're going to La Castellana. We're going to La Castellana. Maybe we check that falls again, Daddy, ha? Di. So I'm gonna show you our view here this morning. So my voice still bad, as you can hear. My voice is still bad. I almost don't have a voice at all. So stay tuned, guys. So this is our view going to Canlaon City. So it's really beautiful morning. It's already 10:30 in the morning, and as you can see, it's another sunny day here. It's another hot day. So the waiting shader that is damaged,
Yeah.
maybe because of the typhoon.
Yeah, we have to prepare that.
I still hear it, the noise. It should be okay.
Yeah. You remember we drove our little truck forever like that, and that bird noise.
So Virgil is enjoying himself there at the back with his friends, the son of and daughter of my friend. Beautiful mountains. So we stop here. There's lots of trees. It's so cool here. It's very cool here, right, baby? It's cool. Yeah. So lots of surrounded with trees. Lots of trees. he stepped on the poo there. You okay? It's nice here. Very nice. So we're here in Biak na Bato. So next is the La Castellana. So we're gonna just wait for the kids because they need to pee. And one of my friend, she's dizzy. Got motion sickness, so need to stop to rest. So we are here and we stop here one of the tourist spot in La Castellana. So we're gonna check out this place here. It's not the Alcantelado viewing deck. It's the other one. Lang sa dis naguila, abe ko naguila. So it's nice here because it's a little bit cloudy. It's not so hot.
Kay sakay aircon day oy uban-uban day Chris maadto sig kuan day San Carlos day ba.
Siri.
Para ba anad ka day ba?
Oh. Picture today kanas lagi. So we be going this Fabricanos Village and Cafe. So the entrance fee is 20 pesos and you can have some free coffee on your entrance. So it'd be nice. It was free coffee, but the problem is I can't drink coffee. Magtasta.
Mag-ulan di ay makusog ni dong tubig.
Nakaari na ka dirite. Virgil. So the kids are already there. Virgil, wait for us. We're excited.
Let's go.
Hay, sighayag diha. Haya. Maglingkod ba?
Naapod siya dito ga ina? Wala te. Dili day siya atlet.
So need to walk maybe about 10 minutes to go there. So they have their music so loud. I can hear from here.
Guys, naiho sa sunod guys.
Here. Hi sa mo.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Tanawaran yung video sa YouTube. Makita ra nyo dito. Hi sa.
Hi guys, we're here in Fabricanos Village. Ana din mo? Hello guys. We're in the
There.
village.
So it's their first time to be here. This place.
Filipino?
Nice bridge. So we are here in the top. So we're not even take a lot of picture in the other side because the view is not nice this time. So we are here in the Alcantelado viewing deck. So we are here on the top.
So that store there in the other side, they've been selling some foods that it's really bad. I'm scared, guys, because Virgil ate some of it and I don't want him to be sick. They're not supposed to be selling some stuff that it's really old. Sa foods bites. They call it empanada. Then the inside of it, the vegetable is really bad. Diha mamaligya ampod sila diha o kana diha kantin. Kuan. Iwala lang duyan-duyan, no? The volcano there. The volcano is covered with clouds.
Balhin na nila dito rin, no?
Beautiful view here. Look at that. Ang sa 7-Eleven tilang sopa okay man na di ate.
Murag na timing ni ato dahil nga galawa jud siya ba niya. Solo niya dahil sticker.
So we are here.
I love you too.
That volcano there. And the kids are enjoying each other. It's so panoramic here. Look at that view. So we park our vehicle down there. There. So you can see there's lots of vehicles coming.
Mahulog mo ha.
My friends are taking selfie photos.
Picturean ka dire dai yan.
Ikaw sabi, picturean ka diha. Some picture here. Yes, ha. So they have a lots of you can take some photos here. Look at that. They have some swing. Virgil and his friend. There's a lot here, many. Abe, picturean ta mo diha, abe. Mommy gonna take picture. Kadiyot sa akin, nag-video ko, biha. Wait sa. So we stop here in this place. Let me check what's inside there.
Apa mga kasi materials no? Ano? To star?
Na hi guys.
Hi guys. Asa man yung mama mi? Hi guys.
Guys. Asa man ta guys? We're in La Castellana. Panorama. We're here in La Castellana. Panorama. Nice sa balay oh. Naka-exercise o kahatoy.
Slide ko na.
Kani?
It's nice in here, Mama Mary.
Nadakot mga Mary.
So the big statue of Mama Mary and Jesus Christ there. So it's many times that we pass this road but we not stop in here. So it's my first time to stop here. Big statue.
Picturean mo kita dako. Oh, ma. Ni Mama Mary.
So nice in here. There's the kids. So it's cloudy here. Looks like gonna rain here soon. Dark clouds there near in the volcano.
Sulod mo kanang ayog salip din lakas to na. Sulod. Oh, nadianan ato. Nadianan ari. Gani. Yala. Sura.
So we stop here in If Ansi restaurant for the birthday treat of my friend. So we're just not taking some videos inside because there's loud music. So this is their guest house here. So my husband wants to check this hotel, but maybe next time we're gonna check it out. Maybe it's affordable. So we're just finished eating. So their food is really delicious. My voice is so bad. So my friends are still there because they're gonna use the bathroom. Herbie, I'm gonna open here. Oh, here, over here. Because there's no space the other side. So we wait for our friends. They're using bathroom right now. So Canlaon City is improving also because they have some pure gold and Prince grocery store here now. So before they don't have grocery store. So now they have some pure gold grocery store and also the Prince grocery store. So Canlaon City is really improving. So we're waiting for them as they're already here. Nabusog mo? So they are very full. Jill, ima mo kubuko, Jill. Saba ka kalay ka? So we're on the way home now because it's 3:30 in the afternoon.
Sabak man ka dito sa likod.
Virgil, Dito ka pikas be kasi like ka din si tita DC nimo. Kasi like ka mag-vomit man.
May plastic. Ay, salamat. May plastic. Muduga na siya? Oo. Walang daan lang naman. Please.
So we're on the way home now.
Paano na ako tumbin ko yan?
Palihog, ginapalihog.
Mark?
Canada, yes. Thank you, Kaayo. Thank you always. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, we're on the Grace Express.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Paghimo dahil ka ani dahil pwede siya mapulaan po siya.
Maghimo kuha kabalo ra mo kuha natin naman koy kuha naman koy hulmahan na. Kuha lang ko na siya te sensitive kaayo kanang kinanglan jud ang yelo pang puti di na may sagol di pwede magsagol. Katong itlog jud nga kuan
Katong wala jud siya na kuan ba kay para itlog.
kay kung makpalpa ka kausa ti sayang kay mong itlog.
Pag-ingra, gahi ka din kurang sipon.
Sensitive man po ng disiplan kaya halag manok na no. Yeah, but lots of fruits here. As you can see.
After New Year.
So we are here already at the dirt road going to our house. So we really had an enjoyable day together with my family and friends, and also Virgil. He had some enjoyable time together with his friends. Look at the view. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my video and for supporting my YouTube channel. For my new subscribers out there, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much again. God bless us all.